It's Garden Tour Saturday, and my co-hostess is Patricia, a wonderful, wonderful channel. Hope you go check her out. This is an open collab. Anyone can join in anytime on Saturday or even the day before or the day after. If you really get busy, just make sure to use hashtag Garden Tour Saturday. Here is my second co-host, Susan. Please go check out her also. These are awesome channels with great gardening tips and ideas, and they are from one coast to the other and Canada. This is my last co-hostess growing on Vancouver Island. She does all kinds of great gardening videos in the house, out in the yard, and does fairy gardens also. Please go check out all three hostesses, please. Now let's go see what Grandma did this week.